Hello students, today we will learn creating a parametric door family in Revit. So it is the first interface of Revit when we started. So we will go in the family and we will start new, and in new family we will go to metric door and we will open it. My computer is taking time to open this. Yeah, so this is the general window opens, and you can see that this is the exterior part and the general door template. So we have to see this in 3D how it looks. In 3D you can see that there is one opening in this wall. So we want to create our own parametric door. So we will delete this. So I selected this one and I deleted this one. Rotating backside, and I also delete this one. So come and see in the plan how it looks. Now you can see that the wall and the opening. So what next? We have to create several references. So we will go in create. So in create, here in data we have reference plane. So we will create a reference planes. So if you see, uh, here is the reference plane. Okay, and this is your exterior, and this is the wall. This is general wall here and here, and this is our opening. So we will start from reference plane. So I clicked on reference plane. So I will create two reference planes. One reference plane here and another reference plane here. We will annotate this reference plane, annotate, and take the aligned and take this dimension, this side also and this side also. Now select this and this dimension both and level this. So go in create parameter. Here you can see my cursor of mouse. So you can see the create parameter. Click it here and take the first reference as door frame thickness. Door frame thickness. Okay, it is a family parameter, type parameter, and okay. So you can see that this converted into parametric thickness. So we will go in exterior elevation. So here also we will create one parameter. So to create parameter, we will go in create, and again we will take reference plane, and we will create one reference plane here. Again we will take annotate and take aligned and dimension it. Okay, select this dimension and go in parameter, and we had already selected door frame thickness. So this is also door frame thickness. So we created 3 parameters. Now we will go in family type. Here it is, and we will create family type also. So new family type, that is type 1 door, whose dimension is 21,000 mm, 2,100 mm into 900 mm opening. Okay. So here we have to modify the height. $2,100 and width is 900. Okay. So we created this. Now again, another type of door, type 2, whose dimension is 2,200 into 1,000. Okay. So here we have to change the dimension 2,200 and width 1,000, and we have to apply this. So you can see that this dimensions has been applied. Okay. So we created a family. In that family, there are 2 types of door available. Now what next? First we have to create the door frame. So to create a door frame, we have to select the exterior and go in create and take the solid sweep. So in solid sweep, there are 2 things. One is a sketch path and second is pick path. So we will select sketch path. So drawing tool is open. So we will create a rectangle and we will adjust this bottom part. We have to delete. Select this line and align to this reference plane. Lock this. Similarly, align this line with this reference plane and lock this also. Select this. Select this aligned line and pick this line. and lock it. So yes, done. So this line is done. Next is section profile. Pick the section profile and then edit profile. It will take us in left elevation. So open view. So we will create the section here. You can see the exterior. So again, we will create a rectangle. And we will align this with different reference planes. So top line align and lock. Then second line also aligned and I locked it. Third line also I locked it. I left the fourth and I adjusted this up to here. Now we have to provide parameter here, one more parameter. So we have to go in annotate, aligned annotate, and dimension this. And select this dimension and create a parameter. Its name is frame depth. Frame DEPTH. Okay. So this parameter is frame depth. If we are creating simple profile, in some other project, we will create a designed profile. So finish this and this. So the frame has been created. We can visualize this in 3D. So you can see this frame. Now go in plan, see whether this frame is created. Frame is in outside, exterior side. So it's okay. Now what next? We have to create the panel. So go in the exterior elevation. And go in create and select extrusion. Again, select rectangle and then draw the rectangle. Then align it and lock it. So we will align it. So this is our reference line. This side we have to align and then we have to lock it. Similarly here, lock this. Similarly here, lock this. Bottom also, select the reference line and this drawn line and then lock it. Yes. Yeah, it's created. So we can see the door panel. Now come in plan. So when I select this, it appears much thicker. So again, we will create a parameter. So go in create and again in data, select reference plane and create a reference plane. So I created one reference plane, and again annotate and then aligned. Select the dimension and give the parametric character to it. This select this and create new parameter and write it as shutter thickness or panel thickness. Okay. So what next? Go in view scale and take it to 1:10. This is our panel. We will try to log this with different reference planes. So first line aligned, select the reference line and then select first line and then log this. And again, this is the second reference line and second line. Lock this. Yeah, this much. So this all parameters has been created. So now we will see this in family type. So in family type, you can see the frame depth. It is 100, no problem. Height 2200. Shutter thickness is 114.1. We can decrease this to 30. And width is 100. Sorry, 1000. And door frame thickness, we can take it to 45. Okay. Remove constraints and okay. Let's see. And this is now the thickness of panel. Now this is door frame thickness converted into 45. All is created. Now again, this changes has been done in type 2. So we have to do the same in type 1 also. This is our type 1. And we can see the frame depth 100 mm, height 2100 mm. Shutter thickness here we can take it to 25, width 900, door frame thickness 80. In place of 80 we can take 45. Okay, so you can see that changes has been done here also. So we actually created the family, door frame and shutter. This is our door frame and this is our shutter. So now we have to check whether this is good for a wall or a project. So we will create a new project. So here new project, and it is architectural template. Okay, open. My computer is little bit slow. Yeah. So this project is open now. So the door is only work when there is a wall. Without wall, door cannot be placed. So we have to create a wall. So wall architecture. We created a sample wall. Put our created family doors. Now we will go in the family and before loading into the project, we have to save this. So save. I'm taking this at my desktop. And I wrote this as a family door. Option. It is asking for 3 backups. I'm taking 1 backup only. Okay. And now save this. So this family has been saved. Now we can take this into our project. So here load into the project. This family, now it will go in this project. So here you can see that family type 1, 2100 into 900. So we can place this in wall. You are seeing that here we created 1 and here 1 more. Now select this one and change it to type 2. Yeah, it's changed. So here we can say that door has been created. You can also visualize in 3D. So here you can see that 1 door is here and 1 door is here. So we successfully created a door family. Now we have to create other things also. If you see the realistic view, it appears very flat. So we have to provide the material and we also have to provide the swings for the plans. So we will do this. Go in hidden line view and go in plan also. So here you can see that it is not as per plan representation of doors. So we have to do in that way. So we will come in the family. Yes. Go in the plan. Now, how we can create plan swings? See, we can create the plan swings through annotate. Go in annotate and you can see symbolic lines. Select symbolic lines and in subcategory, here it is. Go in plan swing projections. Okay, and then draw lines. I created 1 line here from this point to somewhere at this point. Okay, so this is our 1 line and we will annotate this. We have to check how much dimension it has. Yeah, to this point. And select this one and give the parameter, and parameter is width. Yeah, this. So we gave this parameter. One more thing, this line should come at this reference plane. So we will take the aligned, we will check the aligned line and then line, and we will log this. Okay. So what next? Creation of another line. Again, we will go annotate. We will take symbolic lines, and again plan swing projections. Now we will take curve lines. So we will start from here, end it here. Yes. So this kind of swings we can provide. Now we will save this one. Now if we will change this to 2200 and we will apply this, so you can see this changes automatically. Change it to 2100 into 9 and 900. Apply. So you can see this changes. So this door has been created in parametric nature. Okay. We can load this into project, override the existing version, and now you can see the swings in the plan. Okay. You select this one and you can change the direction also. Okay. So we saw the two things. One, how to create the family parametric doors. And second, how we can create the plan swings. Now third, how we can assign material with this door family. So go in family, door family, and go in 3D. So select the frame, and go in material and finishes and click it here, and associate family parameters. So associate new family parameters, name it frame material. Okay. Okay. One more. We associated this with frame. Now we have to select the panel again. In material, we will click associate family parameters and we will create new parameters. In new parameters, we will provide shutter material. and group parameter is material and finishes. So okay, so here we associated two family parameters. One was frame material and second was shutter material. So okay, done. Now what next? So here we cannot put material in this family. So because family are majorly in generic in nature. So how we can put material in it? We can put material in project. So I will load this into the project. Load into project. Override the existing version. So now we can change the material. So go in default 3D views here. So select this and go in edit type. In edit type, you have material and finishes. So frame material, and in by category, click it here. It will take us in material editing. So we have several materials here. You can see this. So we will select door framing material. Yeah, here you can see here it is door frame. We select this one. Okay. Now another is shutter material. Again, we will click it and we will go for here door panel. You can see this. We will select this one, door panel, and okay, and then okay. So we assigned material with this door family. So go in realistic view. Now you can see this material. We attached material with this door. Similarly, with this door also, we can attach material. Edit type, material and finishes, frame material, click it here, door frame, okay. Again for shutter material, door panel, okay, okay. So in view, you can see these two doors with materials also. If we do a short render, then we can visualize this. I'm taking this in medium mode, render. Now it will take some time to render, and you can visualize the rendered material also. Here you can see the two doors assigned with certain material. So in that way, we can create generic families parametric in nature. So here, medium draft, you can see this two door is attached in this wall. Okay. So thank you, students. In another lecture, we will see creation of parametric window families.